Air conditioning can account for a large percentage of your total electricity bill. And with the summer months, naturally, your AC system works harder to maintain your ideal indoor temperature. Follow these tips to increase energy efficiency and save. Buy the right size cooling system. A unit that is too large for your house will cause frequent cycling, inefficient operation, and higher operating costs. Insulation in your home reduces average cooling costs. Set your thermostat to 78 degrees or as high as comfort permits. Turn off the AC and open the windows or use a ceiling fan to help circulate air to increase your comfort. Clean debris and obstructions from around outdoor air conditioning components. Replace disposable air filters or clean permanent ones at least once a month. Leave most of the air vents open in your home to avoid a pressure imbalance that can reduce the effectiveness of your cooling system. Monitor your daily usage with the My Online Account web portal. Set your usage budget and receive alerts when you are nearing your limit. Be energy smart. The power is in your hands.